All right, so let's start off with the Alloyman hot glue gun. This is their heavy duty 20 volt max. This thing is pretty cheap on Amazon. It's like 20-ish bucks or so. It's pretty awesome. They claim it has, of course, stand up ready. Of course, it sits on the battery, no problem there. Cordless, it's battery, obviously there. Drip free, fast charging, high efficiency glue gun. So check this out. Here it is. And also I like that they say a little humanized design, which is just a fancy way of saying, you know, it's got nice ergonomics. All right, so in the box here, we include a nice little case here, which I actually do very much appreciate. This is pretty cool to have. Inside of there, we have a little bag here with some glue sticks to get you going, which is awesome to always have those. You know, some manuals and stuff in here, and that's about it for the bag there. All right, so the glue gun is right here, and as you can see, runs on Makita batteries, no problem. They are, of course, just a little tight in there. You can, of course, maybe add some silicone if you want in there, but the terminals all line up perfectly, and no problem with Makita batteries. Now, my only complaint so far in this thing is that this trigger is ginormous. I mean, if you look at my hand here, I don't know why this thing is massive, but it is. Your feed for your tubes is on the back. You've got a nice little power light right there. What's cool is you get a little light that turns on here automatically, and then on the back you have basically a red and green light here. So it'll tell you, hey, is it warmed up or is it not warmed up? I noticed it took about 45 seconds to warm up from totally cold, and basically I was ready to go with feeding hot glue through. It does say no drip design. That is pretty accurate. You can see here after me working with it for just a little bit here, we've got a little bit of hot glue sitting right there, but so far I have not had any drips happen just yet. Might just clean that kind of off with maybe a paper towel, but it has not dripped off the nozzle there, so that's been pretty nice.